is Adi Shakoya from Agile TV at the Better Software Conference and Agile Development Conference West, Las Vegas, Caesars Palace. And right now I'm with Lee Copeland. Hi Lee, how you doing?
Hi, good.
How's it going?
Good to meet you.
Likewise. And so for just a few of those people out there, I say a few because the majority will know who you are, but for the few out there who might not, can you just quickly tell us a little bit about yourself, please?
Oh, okay. I'm Lee Copeland. I work for Software Quality Engineering. I'm the program chair for all of our conferences. This year we have 6. We have the Star East and West testing conferences. We have the Better Software and Agile conference here that we are at in Vegas, and we do it again in Orlando. And we just announced next year we're going to do Star Canada. We're going to have our first testing conference in Canada. So we're all excited about that.
Okay. So tell us a little bit about these conferences. Why do you put them on, and how did they come about?
We put them on primarily because we want to be able to create a forum where we can share information. Somebody once said that the STAR conferences are the semi-annual staff meeting of the smartest people in testing.
Fair enough.
And we like to think that about all of our conferences, that we try and get the cream of the crop in terms of speakers. And they enjoy being with each other. I just saw a number, chatting out in the hall with each other, sharing ideas. Plus then our delegates come and they can learn and take, hopefully back, some useful information they can improve their organizations with.
I mean, that's also been my experience this year as well, the quality of the speakers here, having the opportunity to learn about the various things that people are doing, and also to speak to the delegates as well, and understanding some of the things that they're going through and some of the solutions and experiences they're having. That adds more value to everything that we're doing. So what would you say is, in your experience, the greatest value or the best value that somebody can expect to get from coming to one of these conferences?
Well, we usually think that the first thing is, just the knowledge transfer. But I personally think that meeting other people, hearing their stories, building a personal network of people that you can turn to and share with and learn from, I think that's valuable too. And one thing about this community, unlike other communities in the IT world, this is a very open community. It doesn't really matter, what your level of experience is, your level of expertise. People share willingly. They're quite happy to chat, and you've seen that in the halls with brand newbies, talking to experts and everybody sharing. I think that's a great thing about the conference.
One of the things that always it makes me wonder, like you said, in lots of other communities, people tend to be guarded of the information. However, it seems that in this type of community, people are happily and openly willing to share that. Where do you think that comes from? Is it because people have got that agile mindset, or what do you think is? No,
I don't think it's the agile mindset. I just think it's part of this community, and I really don't know why. There are certain, I'm not going to name them, but there are certain language communities, programming language communities, for example, that are very closed. If you're not one of the 2 or 3 top experts who talk to each other, they just don't want to talk to other people. But that's just not the case in this community. I hope it remains that way. I think it will. But I don't know of a root cause. I can't trace that back.
Honest answer. So, I mean, for somebody out there who's watching this right now who might be considering coming to an upcoming conference, what would you say to them?
Get out your Visa card and give us a call, and we'll be happy to register you. It's a great experience. It really is. I don't know if your audience knows the format. We start on Sunday with some training classes. Monday and Tuesday we have full day and half day tutorials. And then Wednesday and Thursday we have keynote speakers, as we have today, and the sessions, the concurrent sessions. Then on Friday we have a leadership summit here. And so it's just a great mix of different kinds of experiences, and recommend it highly. We'd love to have you.
Definitely, and I will second that. Like I always say to people, there's only so much you can get out of reading a book, but when you come to conferences like this and you speak to individuals, be it that they're experts or people who are just getting on and doing their everyday stuff, you learn so much more. It's such more richer information, so much more rich content that helps you to achieve the things that you want. So I would totally encourage you to look around the website that you're on right now, on the Better Software website as well, and just look around and look at the conferences and just see what's coming up, and you'll find something that's suited to where you're at. So, Lee, really appreciate your time. Thank you ever so much.
Nice to meet you.
And thank you for putting on this excellent conference.
Thanks.